Use a glazing hammer and a sharp, flat tool to separate the glazing bead from the frame. You will have to do this for all 4 beads. Only use this sharp tool to begin the separation. Using a plastic or wooden glazing wedge, continue to separate the bead from the frame. Again, this will have to be completed for all 4 beads. Use your glazing wedge to bend the beads out enough that you can get your fingers behind and pull them out. Make sure that they are removed carefully so that the mitered corners are not damaged. Using the adjustment key, you can pull the last 2 beads out from the frame. Alternatively, you can use your glazing wedge to continue freeing them onto the corners. Remove the top glazing packer, as this contains most of the pressure. You can then remove the side glazing packers, leaving the bottom packer in place. Tilt the top of the glass towards yourself and lift carefully out of the frame, ensuring you have a safe place to store the glass.